Vitamins. Vitamins are very important for our health. They help our body stay strong and work properly. We get vitamins from the food we eat. Each vitamin has a special job, and we need them to stay healthy. Without enough vitamins, our body can get weak, and we may get sick. There are many types of vitamins. The most common vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Each of these vitamins helps our body in a different way. We need to eat a variety of foods to get all the vitamins our body needs. Vitamin A is important for our eyes. It helps us see, especially at night. Without enough vitamin A, our vision may become blurry, and it can be hard to see in the dark. Vitamin A also helps keep our skin and immune system healthy. It can be found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, and eggs. Eating these foods helps our body get enough vitamin A to stay strong. There are many types of vitamin B, such as B1, B2, B6, and B12. These vitamins help give us energy. They help our body turn the food we eat into energy, which we use to do everyday activities. Vitamin B is also important for our brain and nerves. It helps keep them healthy and functioning well. We can get vitamin B from foods like meat, fish, eggs, beans, and whole grains. These foods give us the energy we need to stay active and strong. Vitamin C is important for our immune system. It helps protect our body from getting sick. If we get a cold, vitamin C helps us get better faster. It also helps our skin heal if we get a cut or bruise. Vitamin C can be found in fruits like oranges, strawberries, and kiwis. Vegetables like broccoli and bell peppers also have a lot of vitamin C. Eating these foods helps keep our immune system strong and our body healthy. Vitamin D helps our body absorb calcium, which is important for our bones. Without enough vitamin D, our bones can become weak and break easily. Vitamin D also helps our muscles and immune system stay healthy. We can get vitamin D from the sun. When we spend time outside in the sunlight, our body makes vitamin D. We can also get vitamin D from foods like fish, milk, and eggs. If we do not get enough sunlight or vitamin D-rich foods, we may need to take vitamin D supplements to stay healthy. Vitamin E is important for our skin and hair. It helps keep them soft and healthy. Vitamin E also protects our cells from damage. It acts as an antioxidant, which means it helps fight off harmful substances in our body. We can get vitamin E from foods like nuts, seeds, spinach, and vegetable oils. Eating these foods helps keep our skin, hair, and cells healthy. Vitamin K helps our blood clot. This is important when we get a cut or injury. Without vitamin K, our blood would not clot properly, and we could bleed too much. Vitamin K also helps keep our bones healthy. We can get vitamin K from foods like green leafy vegetables, such as spinach and kale, as well as broccoli and Brussels sprouts. These foods help our body heal and stay strong. Vitamins are essential for our overall health. Each vitamin has a different role in keeping our body healthy. When we do not get enough vitamins, our body can become weak, and we may feel tired or get sick more often. This is why it is important to eat a balanced diet that includes a variety of foods. Fruits, vegetables, meat, fish, and dairy products all provide the vitamins our body needs to function properly. Sometimes people may not get enough vitamins from food alone. In these cases, doctors may recommend taking vitamin supplements. These are pills or liquids that give us extra vitamins. However, it is always best to get vitamins from food because our body can absorb them better that way. The best way to get enough vitamins is to eat a healthy and balanced diet. Here are some tips for getting the vitamins you need. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables. Different fruits and vegetables have different vitamins. Eating a mix of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get all the vitamins you need. Include whole grains in your diet. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and whole wheat bread have vitamin B. They also provide fiber, which helps your digestion. Eat lean meats, fish, and eggs. These foods are rich in vitamin B, vitamin D, and other important nutrients. Fish like salmon and tuna are especially high in vitamin D. Drink milk or eat dairy products. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt have vitamin D and calcium, which help keep your bones strong. Get some sunlight. Spending time outside helps your body make vitamin D. Try to get at least 10 to 30 minutes of sunlight every day, depending on your skin type and where you live. Use healthy fats in cooking. Foods like nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils are good sources of vitamin E. Including these in your diet helps keep your skin and cells healthy. Eat green leafy vegetables. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli are high in vitamin K, which is important for your blood and bones. Sometimes people do not get enough of a certain vitamin. This is called a vitamin deficiency. Vitamin deficiencies can cause health problems. For example, not getting enough vitamin C can lead to a condition called scurvy. Scurvy causes tiredness, weakness, and bleeding gums. Not getting enough vitamin D can lead to weak bones, a condition called rickets in children or osteomalacia in adults. If you think you are not getting enough vitamins, it is important to see a doctor. They can do tests to check your vitamin levels and recommend ways to improve your diet or suggest supplements. Conclusion: vitamins are a key part of a healthy lifestyle. They help our bodies stay strong, protect us from illness, and ensure our organs and systems function well. We can get vitamins from the food we eat, and it is important to eat a variety of foods to make sure we get all the vitamins our body needs. By eating a balanced diet, spending time in the sun, and taking care of our health, we can make sure we get enough vitamins to live a happy and healthy life.